Good morning, dear ones. Hope all are keeping in good health. Now you all safe. Okay, let's start with page number 57. Today we are going to have maths. So we already learned. What is it? What did we learn? Yes, the short distance is measured in centimeters and longer distance is measured in meters. So take page number 56. Page number 56. Ready? Which standard of unit of length meters, that is for meters you use small letter m, and for centimeters you use cm, small letter cm, is used to measure the following. Now asking, there are some statements given below, sentences given below, and those which is measured in centimeters or in meters you have to specify. The length of a pencil. Now a pencil length, now this is a pencil. You've seen the length is not very big, isn't it? It's a small pencil. So how do you measure this pencil? Do you measure it in meters or centimeters? You have already learned the short distance or short length is measured in centimeters and the longer distance or the length is measured in meters. So now I showed you the pencil, you would have got an idea. So a pencil is measured in centimeters or in meters. Yes, it is measured in centimeters. So in that box you write cm, centimeter. It's a short form of centimeter. Small letter cm. B. Height of a tower. A tower. When I say tower, you may not understand. Tower. How is it measured? Is it small or big? It is very long. It is, no, the height is there. So you measure it in meters. Small letter m. Third one, the length of a park. Now you can imagine whether it is small or a big distance, like it's a long distance or a short distance. Park. Have you been to a park? Yeah, there are 2-3 parks here. One is here and two parks are there in Bodjetti. One is for the children's park, one is for the public. The children and adults can be visit there. So park is measured in meters or centimeters. Yes, it is measured in meters. Now, length of a candle. Candle which is made out of wax. Usually when Christian houses, when they pray, they light the candle. So, in centimeters or meters it is measured. Yes, it is measured in centimeters because it is not a very long distance. The length of a room. Length of a room is measured in meters. So, mark the M in that column, okay. The length of an eraser, very tiny that is. So, it is measured in centimeters. Clear? Alright. Now here the ruler is given and a pencil is placed below that. Below means under that. So when you look at that, you know it is 4 centimeters. Already the first one is already done there. Look at the next one. See till where the pencil is, how many centimeters it is. The next one is, yes, 7 centimeters. So write on the dots 7 cm, centimeters. Alright, and do how many more? C, D and E and F. So do the rest of it. Look at it till where the pencil is measured. That number you have to write and write cm. Okay, that you can look and write it. So we are moving on to page number 57. Now 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Please look here. 1 meter. M is meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 2 meters equal to 2 into 100 is 200 centimeters. 2 meters. It's how many centimeters? So you just got to multiply with 100. You get 200 centimeters. So if it is 3, 300 centimeters. If it is 8, 800 centimeters. If it is 10 meters, 1000 centimeters. Okay, 10,000. Because you are multiplying 10 into 100. So always we told you, first add the zeros. Write the zeros to the right hand side. Then 1 into 1 is 1 itself. So 10 meters is equal to 1000 centimeters. Okay. 10 meters is equal to 1000 centimeters. So now we are on page number 57. The length of 1 meter can be divided into 100 centimeters, 100 equal parts. 1 meter can be divided into 100 equal parts, that is 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters and it is called what? Centimeters. When you divide that equally into 100 parts, it is called the centimeters. When 1 meter is equally divided into 100 parts, it is called what? Yes, 100 centimeters. 1 meter is divided into 100 equal parts is called 100 centimeters. Now 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now keep this in mind, okay? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 2 meters equal to 200 centimeters. 8 meters equal to 800 centimeters. Now covering meters to centimeters, that you can just look through. Please have a look at it. The first one, 4 meter. 4 meters into 100 centimeters equals 400 centimeters. I shall write it here. 4 meters. Now we are converting, changing into centimeters. So let's see, 4 into 100 centimeter is equal to 400 centimeters. Got it? 4 into 100 equals 4 into 100 equals how much? 400 centimeters. So 4 meters is 400 centimeters. Now 5 meters and 6 centimeters. Now we have to convert this into meters. 5 meters. I'll write it here. 5 meters plus 6 centimeters. So will you read that as 56 centimeters? Because this is 5 meters. Look here. This is 5 meters. This is only 6 centimeters. Equally divided 6 equal parts. Now this we have not divided. So this we first you have to find how many centimeters are there in 500. So first what do you do? 500. This is 5 into 100 is 500. 5 into 100. That is 500 centimeters plus 6 centimeters. You get 506 centimeters. So 5 meters plus 6 centimeters makes 506 centimeters. Now covering centimeters to meters. Now we are changing into, now let that be there. I just show you few more examples. Then we will go to how you convert into meters. Okay. So 1 minute. Let me clean all this. This you keep in mind that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. That don't forget. Okay. Right. Now we are going to convert. We already said about 5 meters and 6 centimeters. Now I am going to give you a few more examples. That is 7 meters plus 8 centimeters. So how do you do this? First you 7 into 100 equals 700 plus 8 centimeters. So you get 708 centimeters. This you have to do it. Okay, do this into your notebook. Right. Now this is the first one. Now we are going to cover that into centimeters again. Second one, 3 meters plus 7 centimeter. So what we do is first we multiply 3 into 100, isn't it? 3 into 100 is how much? 300 plus what you do? 7 centimeters, because this is already made into centimeters. Okay, now this is centimeters itself. So how many centimeters? 307 centimeters. Got it? Okay. So do that. Do that into your notebook. Alright. Now the next one, covering centimeters to meters. Now we are going to change that into meters. 600 centimeters. We have already learned 1 meter makes 100 centimeters. Now we have 600 centimeters. So 600 centimeters make how many meters? Yes, 6 meters. Now 734 centimeters. How many meters and how many centimeters you have to write? That is, in 734, look here, 734. In how many hundreds are there here? Yes, there are 7 hundreds, isn't it? So, first you got to write 7 meters and this is 34 centimeters. 34 centimeters. In 734, there are 7 meters and 34 centimeters. I shall come back.